Marine Electricals has secured new orders worth around 376.22 crore rupees from Siemens, Titagar Naval Systems and Princeton Digital Group for supplying power distribution systems and electrical equipment. The projects are scheduled to be completed over the next 8 to 21 months, strengthening the company's order book. Welspun Corp will acquire an additional 51% stake in Welspun Captive Power Generation from Welspun Living for 67.66 crore rupees, increasing its total holding to 74% and making the company its subsidiary. The move is aimed at strengthening its captive power business and improving energy security for operations. ACC will buy a 26% stake in ARM plus Andhra Power for about 5.31 crore rupees to secure renewable power for its cement plants under the captive power model. The deal is expected to be completed by 30th October 2026, helping the company lower energy costs and increase the use of clean energy in its operations. PTC Industries has received a development order from Gun Factory Kanpur to develop and manufacture 2 major artillery gun components, strengthening its presence in India's defense sector. The project will be completed in 9 months, while the order value has not been disclosed due to confidentiality.